Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record a video on GoPro Fusion 360. To record a video, make sure you are in the video recording mode. You should see this video camera right here, and if you don't, then click on this button right here until you switch to the video mode. So let me switch. Now I'm in the video mode. And now you can place your camera however you want and click on this button right here to start recording. So now I am recording. After this light starts blinking, I'm recording. So it should record the 360 video just like that. And to finish the video, click on this button again. And now the video is saved on your SD cards and you can view it in the app or by connecting your GoPro to a computer. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.